guys, I got just a brand new package. I just opened this new package aggressively because it's hard to open. I made a video and that didn't work. It's my Lego fish thing. I thought it was like a toy or something, but no. Mine is this one. And mine also have this. And you can open this and close. Cool. Next one is my sister's. It's just the same but the color white. Wait. I'll try to get it out. Ugh. Come on. This cannot work. Ish. The brand new fish tank. Look. My brand new fish tank, that's the old one. Right there. So, subscribe.